Hi, this is Vika Coleman, and I just want to wish all my subscribers and my YouTube friends and family that have supported me throughout this year. I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. And before this year ends, I just would like you guys to put in the comments if there's anything else you guys would like to know, any questions that you've had. Please feel free to put them in the comment section. And I look forward to working with some of you guys this year. I am going to be coming out with some new different programs, more so a partnership accountability, because I do want people to have more successes. So look for that. And if you are new to this channel, please feel free to click the link below. I do have a free guide. And also too, I am going to be doing a special for Thanksgiving. So if you are on my email list, check your email list, because I'm going to be giving a special offer for the first 10 people. And it's probably be the first and the last time I do this. But anyway, check your emails and look forward to receiving a gift from me for Thanksgiving. Happy holidays to everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you're having a happy Turkey Day.